In 11th century China, the Chang dynasty fell and was replaced by the Cheu dynasty under Wu, who established Chau as capital and created feudal rule. Religion centered on ancestors and natural powers, with Shangdi above them. In Mexico, the Olmec developed ceremonial centers and monumental works. In Greece, the Dorians conquered the Peloponnese, ending the Mycenaean age and creating independent poleis. The Israelites formed a common identity from tribes. Their story connected Moses, the Exodus, the Covenant, the Ten Commandments, and the Promised Land. The text questions its historical basis, suggesting Mosaic law may preserve an older nomadic system. One hypothesis is that Moses led a group out of Egypt, while later traditions merged memories of migration and slavery. Eloim and Yahveh became central to Israelite traditions. Joshua used Abraham's traditions to strengthen Israelite unity and justify the conquest of Canaan. The biblical account describes victories, while Judges presents a longer process. Israelite religion remained diverse, combining Elohim or Yahveh with other gods. The Ark of the Covenant was kept at Shiloh. The Philistines defeated Israel, captured the Ark, and destroyed Shiloh. Samuel promoted monarchy, and Saul became king around 1020, establishing his capital at Geba. He fought the Ammonites and Philistines, while Jonathan gained fame. Saul later clashed with Samuel and grew suspicious of David, a leader from Bullen who fled and joined the Philistines. Around 1000, Jonathan died and Saul committed suicide after defeat, leaving the Philistines dominant.